From earth and sun, the cycle begins, a treasure of life that nature spins. It fuels the body, sharpens the mind, a gift of strength, one of a kind. It binds us close, shared delight, a moment of joy, morning or night. Through every bite, a story is told of warmth and care, both new and old. It builds us up, it keeps us whole, a steady rhythm for heart and soul. With every taste, the world unfolds, a symphony of flavors, both gentle and bold. The energy to rise, to dream, to create, a source of comfort we celebrate. Through seasons that change, it's always near, a timeless gift we hold so dear. So honor the gift, let gratitude bloom, for what sustains us, for what gives us room to grow, to thrive, to journey afar. Nourishment, life's guiding star. So honor the gift, let gratitude bloom, for what sustains us, for what gives us room to grow, to thrive, to journey afar. Nourishment, life's guide.